Hello everyone. Welcome today. Today it's not a Tuesday, but actually it's Friday, July the 2nd, 2021. But in this newspaper there is no extra Sudokus. I have just solved the light Sudoku and the heavy Sudoku. So I've decided to continue with not with yesterday's newspaper. Because yesterday there's also no extra Sudokus, no additional. So yesterday I've solved the puzzles that are left in the Wednesday's newspaper. And now I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the Tuesday newspaper. Alright, and this will be the first Sudoku is a one-star Sudoku. This will be number 3035. Alright. No, 36. Correction. 36. So 3036. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Alright. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. I see 4 sevens, 1, 2, 3, 5 nines. Let me start with a 9. Yeah. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9, although I have 5 nines. Yes, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, well, could be happen. So how about the number 1? Yeah, 1 in this last column, 1 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Okay. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 1. Let me see for another digit. 5 in this column, first column, 5 in the third column. So in the column between, the second column, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then. Yeah. How about the number? The number, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see there an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. There and no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then. Let me see. 1, 2, 5, 5, 6, 3. Yeah. I need pairs. 6, 6. 3, 2, 6, 3, 2. No, 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 no. Let me scan. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7s will be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 7s will be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Yeah. Alright. Come on. 4, 5. 8. In this column, 4 missing numbers. In this column, one of the missing numbers is an 8. We see there an 8, no 8 there. There an 8, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Only place for the 8 should be there. 4, 5, and 6. 5. Okay. Yeah. Do we have all the 8s? No, 8. 8. Okay. Yeah. 2. 9. Interesting. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Now I cannot continue with the 9. About... Yeah. 3. 3. So we have a 3 here. 3. Alright. 5. 4. 4, 5. Yeah. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We see here 6. No 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In the first column, we have a 6 in the third column. So in the column between, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 3. That means those 3 are the numbers. In the first row are the 4 is missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. The 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6. 6, 5. Alright, 6, 5. Then... yeah. How about those 3 missing numbers in the second column? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We see here 1 and a 2 here, so no 1 and 2 in this box. The 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. The 1 goes there. 1 box left in the second column for the number 3. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. Alright. 2, no. 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3. Okay. Then. Do we have all the 7s? No. The 8? No. 8. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. 2 numbers left in the middle row. The 8 and the 6 are missing. Well, I cannot fill this yet. 8 and the 6 need to wait. 8 and the 6. 3. Yes, 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. We have a pair, 3 and 8 in this row. 3 in one of those 2 boxes and an 8 in the first row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 3 and 8 should be in those 2 boxes as a pair. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 8 and the 3, that means 1 box left in this big square. Here we have 6, 5 and a 4, 8 and a 3, so 1 digit left in this big square for the number 2. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Yeah. 6, 5 and 4, 6, 5, 4. Then 1 number left in the second row, 8 and a 3. This box should be a 7. Yes. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 5. 6 and 5. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6 and a 5. 6 and 8. Okay, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and a 6 are missing. 5 and a 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 5 goes there. 5, 6 and 8. Okay. 4, 5. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 8 and 6. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can't be a 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 5. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Yes. 4, 4, 4. One box left in this big square for number 5. One box left in this row for the number 2. Yes, 1, 2 is missing. One box left in the middle row for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 4. Well, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 numbers. How about yeah. 4, 4. Yes, 4 in this column. 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 3 in the third column. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 6 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. Alright. 1 number left in the last row for the number 5. 5, yeah, 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box will be a 5, and this box will be a 4. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 6 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 6 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 8 and the 3. Now we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 4 and 6. 4 and 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Wow. A little bit troubles with this one. Because for 1 star I need to be faster than 50 minutes. And I've solved this in 17 minutes. So I think it's not a 1 star, but a 2 stars. Yeah, let me give this a 2 stars. Because for 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the second Sudoku, a 2 stars Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.